Alright guys, I have to make this video twice because I wasn't recording the first time. I didn't know my SD card was full. But yesterday I went to go pick up the Old Town 106 PDL, and today I'm going to test it out on the water. I'm a little bit of a shorter guy, so that's why I really want to see how it is on the water for me. I did order seat risers, even though I haven't even tested it on the water, but they haven't arrived. I literally ordered them last night. So hopefully it's comfortable. Hopefully I can sit for a good couple hours. It's supposed to be windy today, and if it gets windy, it's also a good test because, you know, if it gets windy, that means I could test how good the kayak stays in place and all that. And yeah, I heard these are a lot more better for like grosser days. Not grosser, but you know, gross, not the best days, you know. So hopefully this kayak just does what it, well, a lot of people say. Hopefully it goes well. I have the original paddle version of the 106. I only had it since February of this year. We're in June. I've only had it for like what, 3 or 4 months, and I love that thing. It was just so hard to get to where I wanted to whenever I went to the Yakima River, and yeah, I'm hoping this can get me a lot more farther, a lot more places that I've never been to before. So yeah, I'm only testing it out on a little lake. I've been around the whole lake before on my paddle, but we're gonna see if like I can get around faster. Plus I'm gonna be able to fish without my having to mess with the paddle all the time. So we'll see how it goes. Ooh, another Nissan Pro 4X. Let's go. All right, well, I'll catch you guys on the water, and I'll see you then. All right, we're almost in. A lot of water in here already. String. Wow, this one's already way more stable. Like way more stable. Like you could just feel it, right? It's like a little bit more wider. And I'm sitting higher too, and like it looks really cool. Okay, so you need to use the pedal for getting into a deeper spot. Now this one, oh, you can tell it's a lot more harder to pedal than the regular version, but it's not bad. It's not bad at all, actually. Like it gets moving once you go. Pretty cool, actually. All right. Now I can just put this down. Okay, I think we're good. Oh yeah, this needs to sit way more higher. Oh wow. Oh my god, this is so cool. Okay, yeah, those 2 inches will be perfect. It's not bad though. Maybe even a cushion would work. Oh my god, this is so cool. I can, and then you can stop. Nah, this is crazy. Oh my god, fishing and doing this at the same time is crazy, not gonna lie. Dude, this thing turns so sharp. What the hell? Okay, there's nothing there. 2 rod holders, obviously, and then we can just turn sharply. Wow, this is insane. It's like not hard to like go, but you know, it's pretty crazy how fast it starts going. One thing I don't like is how, I don't know, I need a higher sitting position. I think that's it. This thing moves though, holy crap. Like, I'm going fast. And it's not that crazy of a workout because it's your legs, you know. Oh, man, this is amazing, bro. It's a good workout though. Oh, there's a lot of water coming in. I wonder why. I mean, it's fine, it comes out. But there we go. Oh wow. That was a big fish. Yeah, I'm gonna need a little spacer, just like 2 more inches up, or even a seat cushion would probably get me where I want to be. Just because I know, like this, it's probably uncomfortable right now, just because obviously this is my first workout like this in a while. But still, man, it's just like, I'm sure that the seating position could be better. Wow, that's so cool. These rods are a lot more farther back. Should have done like some Texas rig action on here. Rod holders a little bit more back, but I kind of like that because since they weren't that back on my paddle version, sometimes I'd hit it if I had 2 rods back there. But now that it's just a little bit more farther back, I feel like that gives me the like flexibility of hitting my cast a little bit different. This is a workout though. Yeah, this is insane. Let's try standing on this. Wow. Well, this one feels way more stable than the other one. Like the stability on this one is pretty crazy. Oh, there you go. Oh my god. There's no way this is my first fucking bass on this. Oh, I found it. There you go. Little largemouth. Sorry, buddy. Oh, swam away. Jeez, he was too small, bro. This is fucking sick. Man, I love this thing already. Now it's not uncomfortable. It's, you know, it's just, I don't know. And then obviously the rod holder right there, like low key, that's clutch. Let's see. I'm turning all the way right now. Let's see if I can get out of here without hitting any of this. This is kind of scary. Oh my god, the turn radius. I'm telling you, this is a clutch. Like, I thought I was gonna run into that. Wow, this is amazing. And since a lot more space here now, like having that rod there, because I used to carry rods right here when I was standing up. Well, I wasn't able to when I would stand up on the other kayak. I wasn't able to put like rods right there. This is a BFS setup, so it might be a little bit more slimmer than most rods, but yeah, I can do this. Don't cast. Oh, I don't like this rod right now. No, I'm not getting bites. Throw on my other rod. Put this one down right there, because usually I would have them back there on those little rod holders, but now it's a little bit more, clutch. Oh, I had a chaser. So yeah, it's just, this is I might get stuck here. There's a hell of a difference. Because like so when I used to stand up on my other kayak, obviously since it was back there, I wasn't able to swap to my rod without sitting down again, which was kind of annoying. I mean, obviously, like, I didn't find it too bad of a con, but it wasn't, like, I guess it was a con, but yeah, that was like the only issue, was that I would have to sit back down, turn around, get my other rod. It's just more convenient, you know, with this one. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take off that spinner. I think it's just in the way. Alright, now I gotta try out this other rod holder right here. I'd say it's just way more clutch, honestly. Also, there's dry storage here that I totally forgot about. So yeah, you just put that in there, your phone. I usually put my phone in my life jacket. Probably shouldn't, but you know, it's whatever. So I usually like to cut these off. And then boom, it just makes a better jig head like this. And usually I get bites like this more than I do with the spinner thing. Throw that in there for now. Yeah, now it's like thumping when it swims. So it has way more action. Look at that. That was sick. Look at it. Oh, I had a bite. Oh, I do. Oh, I don't, I guess. What the hell? I'm getting bites. What the hell? I think they're just little trout messing with my shit. Yeah, it's just little trout. Holy crap, there's like 3 of them. That's why they keep pulling on it. You see how they weren't biting it with that little spinner that wasn't working? It was just like scaring them for some reason. Just make sure they're not pulling on it. Alright, they're good. I'm gonna let it sink for a little bit. Usually, once I let it sink, then I get more bites. One thing I've noticed is the wind is not pushing me too much on this. Like, it's very low. Oh, I didn't even check the weather. Weather. Oh yeah, the wind is supposed to pick up around 12. All right, we still have another 2 hours. We'll take these 2 hours, see what we can do. So far, I am happy with my purchase. I do really like these rod holders. I did not think I was gonna like them, but since I use a lot of BFS stuff, my rods are a lot skinnier than, you know, like say a heavy rod or something. This is amazing. Like, I can get far. Dude, the fact that I've traveled like almost half the whole thing. I mean, I didn't obviously hit all the spots, but I'm sure I could have. Yeah, the weather is like kind of creeping up now. It's kind of scary, but I have a lot of faith in this kayak, so I'm not too worried. How fast can I go in this? Wow. This is causing waves. Holy crap. Dude, like the recovery of your stamina is so much like quicker than when you're using a paddle. Like the recovery is so quick on your legs. So obviously the legs have a lot of muscle. Where's all the bait fish? That's where they need to be. They need to be where all the bait fish is at. Let's see. Can this fit in here too? Without me being annoyed of it. Yep. 2 rods right there. I got the 2 rods back there. This is clutch, bro. Oh my god, bro. I think I'm in love with this thing. We'll let this sink all the way. Okay. This is amazing. Like, there is some water coming in. So all the weight's over here now. It's not bad. There you go. Oh, there you go. I felt that big thump. Oh. Wow. Oh my god. I had finally a big thump. Oh, that is a bite. Oh my god, I lost him at the last second, bro. I don't know. It doesn't feel like a bite, but then it is. So there's a pocket over here of fish. This is top tier. It makes fishing so much easier. Like, if you have the budget to buy one, or you know what, you don't want to know what I did? I went to publicland.com I guess they're owned by Dick's. Use their 15% discount code that they give you for signing up, and boom, I got the kayak for like $600 less than I would have. There you go. Oh, there you go. That's the big one. Let's go. Oh my god. He is. Oh my god. He is pulling my drag hard. I'm gonna let him fight me. I don't want him to break my rod. Gotta keep tension high. Oh my gosh. Let's move up. He is fighting. Holy crap. Okay. Why is he so good at this? Oh, there you go. Oh my god, I was grabbing my net. No. Such a good fight too, and I didn't get to land him. Holy crap, there's a fat ass carp right there. Holy crap, that was so big. That's something. Ooh. Oh, it's a carp. I mean, not a carp. Forgot what fish this is for a second. What is this? What the fuck is this called again? Crappie, there you go. There's a crappie. Usually I don't really see crappie, but it's beautiful. Nice. Oh my god. What is that? Holy fuck. Oh, oh my god. Is that a carp or what the fuck is that? Please, I need this. I need this. Don't jump out on me. Did I lose him? Oh my god, no I didn't. No I didn't. Don't. Oh, let's fucking go. Yes. Oh my god. Let's fucking go. There you go. That I don't get hooked. What is this guy doing? Oh my god. Big fucking smallie. Right here. Yep. This is a big one. Dude. Let's let him go. Go back. Thanks for playing, bro. Thank you. Dude, I fucking knew eventually I would fucking get a big one. Ew, and my paddle tail is perfectly fine. Let's go, bro. Oh, we're getting out of here. I don't want to deal with the rain right now. This is so good because you see when the weather starts acting up, bro, you're just like, oh my god, weather's coming. You don't have to fucking paddle and, you know, waste all your energy paddling. Like, yeah, you use energy with this, but it is so different. It's such a different level of energy that you use. Alright, I think that's it for today. Yeah, my thoughts of this, I love it. It's amazing. I'll for sure keep making more videos. Wow, I love this thing. This is amazing. Thank you guys for watching. I'll make an updated video in a couple months, see what kind of mods I do or stuff like that. If you guys want me to make a video of the yak hobby seat risers I made, yeah, just let me know and I'll post that video for you guys.